that shit up. Bust down and pick that shit up. Bust it open and pick that shit up. Bust it open and pick that shit up.
Hey yo, I've been a bad bitch, Kakiana.
Hey guys, it's Madison. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is me doing this perm rod set. The curls came out really cute. So I'm glad I recorded this for you guys because I wasn't sure if it was gonna turn out right because you never know with natural hair. So I'm starting off with blow dried hair and I'm going to section it off into 4 parts just to make everything easier because you see my hair is super thick. And I also do things like this on stretched hair because it's just easier for me to handle. And we're doing a little length check because you know it's been a minute since I did my natural hair. So yeah. So you want to make sure your sections are detangled, and then these are the products I will be using today. I didn't use a lot of the products, I just used a little bit. So yeah, you want to keep that in mind, especially since your hair is stretched and dried. So these were the sizes of my sections that I did for the perm rods. They're pretty medium size, and you know I'm just working all those products I just showed you into my hair. I'm not using a lot at all, but I did end up ODing a little bit when I got to the top, but it's okay. It's okay. So then you want to make sure your hair is detangled before putting the perm rod in. This part isn't me showing you, it's just me showing you me struggling, because I think it's important for YouTubers to show people that they be struggling too, because you know everything's not perfect, everything's not easy. So yes, I do be struggling, but I got the hang of it and you'll see that next. So just a major thing is you just want to make sure your hair is as smooth as possible. That's why you'll always see me go in and brush it and smooth it out with my fingers and with the rat tail comb, just to make sure that the hair is smooth, so when I take the perm rods out, everything separates easily, if that makes sense. So yeah. So the first way I did it was wrong. This is the correct way to do it. We're gonna split it into 2 sections and then twist the root for about like 2 to 3 times, and then we're gonna smooth the hair out and then wrap it around. So the first time I didn't twist it and I ended up going back to twist it, but yeah. So with wrapping the perm rod, I start from the ends and I wrap up twice or 2 or 3 times, and then I start twisting it inward. As you see, I don't really know how to explain that part, how I'm doing it, but you can clearly see how I do it, and yeah, it's pretty easy. And then you just close the cap in. I was struggling a little bit, but I made it work. My nails were in the way for sure. Okay, so I'm gonna just show you guys 2 more times just so you can, you know, get the idea of it, and then yeah. So this is the next afternoon. I'm using this oil spray thing that I have to, you know, just put on my fingers as I take this out, because I couldn't find my other oil. But you want to make sure you have oil on your hands, especially if you're doing this on your, you know, natural curly hair, you know, if it's not stretched or anything. But yeah, I'm just taking these out. My roots were still a bit damp on the top, and I wasn't too sure at this point how the hairstyle was going to turn out, so I really didn't, you know, show you guys me fluffing it out or anything. But you know, it ended up turning out really good. So but yeah, so this is how it looks out of the rods, and then I just go in and untwist the roots, and it separates naturally when you untwist the roots. And then I, you know, just unseparate. Sorry, that makes no sense. I just separate for my desired look. If you want more defined, you don't separate a lot. If you want more volume, you separate a lot. So I was going for more volume, and yeah. So after I separated everything, I picked it out, and I didn't get that part on camera because, as I told you earlier, I wasn't sure if I was gonna like how it turned out and if I was gonna scratch the video, but I ended up loving it. So yeah, I'll let you watch the rest of the video. It's almost done. I just want to say thank you guys so much for all the love and support, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, comment and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.
That shit up. Bust it open and pick that shit up.
Hey yo, I've been a bad bitch, Kakiana, and I'm still winning Pakiana. Percocets, Papiana, killing everybody beat. Thank you next, Ariana.